Okay, welcome back to the channel. Let's try this again. Slight overview of what's going on today. I'm changing out my stock Kenda tires, which, you know, they've seen better days, but I'm replacing them out with these bad boys. The V from the V Tire Company. I mean, look at that. That's gonna look sick. Plus, look at the treads on these. They're gonna be nice and quiet. I'm gonna be able to go stealth mode. But first, before I do that, I gotta besides turn the bike upside down and blah blah blah, I gotta wash those rims because they are disgusting. You can't have new tires with crappy looking rims. And of course I got to replace the tube on this one, so lo and behold, my go-to. And I just picked up some slime because, oh wow, that opened. That's not cool. That is not cool. Hope that didn't get over. Shit. Alright, we'll take a look at that later. But yeah, I picked that up because they didn't have any smaller ones, and you know, it says dispenses approximately 1 ounce per pump. 8 ounces going per tube, so 8 squirts. Alright, so that's the plan. And of course I'm going to turn the bike upside down, and I'll be using handlebar jacks, as you can see. I mean, these are the first ones, so they're a little beat up. I had to zip tie that on. Just cause, I don't know, because it broke. I've used, these are a lifesaver. You can get them at there, or get them on Bolton, same price. I don't know who's going to get them to you faster, but that's, yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So, catch you guys in the next one. This is part 1, obviously.